Levelling Up funding is being used to run our employment support programme. So young people can come and learn skills, employment-based skills, where they can put that into practice in a live environment, in a safe environment, where they can learn all of the skills that they require to go and access mainstream employment.
They helped me get counselling, they helped me when I was homeless, they've fed me, they helped me get clothes. I think just about anything that you could think of, they have done, and then some.